what is an ellipsis? We've all seen them, these little dots that trail off at the end of a sentence to indicate suspense or that there's something else coming. But have you ever stopped to think about if there's a correct number of dots and when you should actually use them? Some people are just dot mad and take the more the merrier approach. Admit it, we've all seen them. PowerPoint slides where there's a trail of 12 or 15 dots to indicate that something really interesting is happening on the next slide. An ellipsis isn't just a random number of dots that you can bash out on your keyboard as you feel like it. It's a punctuation mark just like any other, and it consists of 3 dots, no more, no less, 3. To make an ellipsis on Word on a PC, hit Ctrl, Alt and the full stop. To make it on a Mac, press Option and the semicolon, and bingo, you have an ellipsis, just like any other. The advantage of doing this is it only takes up 1 character space, which is useful if your character spaces are limited, for example on Twitter or in text boxes where you only have so many characters to use. An ellipsis has 2 uses in a sentence. The first use of an ellipsis is to show that a sentence is unfinished. It's used when the writer has left something unsaid or when a sentence tails off. The second use of an ellipsis is to indicate where you have left a section out of a direct quote, and you will sometimes see this ellipsis enclosed in square brackets. This is often used when there is limited space for a quotation or part of the quotation is unnecessary for the context in which you're using it. Should you have a space before and after an ellipsis? Well, an ellipsis can either be closed up to the text it's in, that means there is no space either side of it, or it can be open with a space before and after it. This is a style choice, there's not a hard and fast rule about this, so whatever you decide to use, the important thing is to be consistent. So there you are. An ellipsis is an individual character and there are 2 reasons for using it. I hope that helps you out the next time you want to use one. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to read the blog that goes with this video, check out the description for the link. And if you'd like more worry-free writing chat, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.